All I did was prise these off with a knife, just gently. So I just want to have a look. I'm just being nosy, actually. See if I can fix it, because it's 78 quid, wasn't it?
75.
£75. Okay, so take the covers off. You've either got Allen key or whatever. Some have them underneath here. So, and then we've got these. Oh, I've added a part already, look, haven't I? Did I fix it once before?
Yeah.
Okay, well I need to get that off as well, so I'll go and get a I'll go and get a adjustable now.
What's that? That's that new one or something?
With this?
Yeah.
No, it looks I think I had trouble getting it off, like at one point, because it's so not corroded.
Monkey metal.
Well, yeah, but it's because it gets all that hard water, you just can't get them off. Right, I'll go get a spanner and we'll have a look.
The other ones are brass, aren't they?
Yeah, vacuum it. Just lost one of these. There we go. Take them off. I just took the two clips off which hold this on. They've just flown off somewhere. I'll find them in a bit. So we're going to have a look to find out why it was leaking. That was all, just curiosity. In the previous video you'll see that I just replaced these mixer taps upstairs.
I think that was the hot.
Yeah. Yeah. Did I show you did I replace one of these? These look like cartridges. Probably have to replace the whole unit, I would have thought.
The cartridge.
Yeah, remember in the motorhome, we got them in the motorhome, cartridges.
Yeah.
That's what a mixer tap, so it's that wasn't tight. I reckon that's what it is. We have to replace the cartridges. I don't remember getting them, do you? Unless we can get them out. There you go, hot and cold. I mean, have they got a... Do they move? I don't know. Let's have a look what's behind this one as well. See if I can get this one out if I can. This hasn't been done for a while. It's never been done, has it?
13 years.
Oh, blimey. Not bother if I damage it because it's not going to use it. Take all the flake off. I'm not even done with anything.
That's a shower unit, isn't it?
Yeah, this is.
So right, next time we'll just replace the cartridges.
I don't know. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. I haven't done that as well. Oh, I love it when it comes. It's a bit of excitement.
Taking things apart.
Yeah. So this is what's inside a mixer tap with a shower head on. So
You can't see from the bottom, can you?
no, it's that doesn't look too bad, does it? I can't see. Normally you'd have a split in the seal.
Rubber.
Yeah, and also in the bottom taps when you've got this brass fitting inside. I don't know if you can see inside there.
Not really.
No. And what happens is with these, if you feel around the edge, oh, that's quite badly worn, that one. The seat that the rubber sits in, so this bit here that sits on there, because it's been leaking so bad, it's quite pitted.
What's it sat on? Another bit of
Copper, brass.
Don't know.
Yeah. And then what happens is when the water gets the high pressure, it causes like a jet and it starts cutting its way into the bottom of the copper. That doesn't look... Yeah.
It's been leaking for a while.
There you go. There's quite a lip on these. It's a big lip. I don't know whether it's supposed to be. Let's see if we can get one of these out. Without hurting. Oh, there we go. So I wonder if we just have to replace them. That must be it. Do you know what I mean? The seal. We get the rest out.
We
Here we go.
needed to replace the shower bit anyway.
And there's this. Then there's another rubber. And then, oh, here we go. This bit comes out. And then there's another bit. Oh my god, blimey! I wonder if you might be able to replace them. Is it worth it though? Because the shower was leaking anyway, wasn't it? Just trying to get him out. Alright, just curiosity. Oop. Looks like ceramic. And there's
Look at that. Extinction Rebellion.
That's it. If I can get that out or not. Nah. It's in there solid by oh, I don't know. It's...
You fixed the one.
How did I fix it though? I must have put a new seal on or
I think
something.
you did a film.
I can't remember. It's a long time
Look at
ago.
that.
Oh, hold on. Look at that.
What?
Can you see it?
A
There.
hole. Oh.
Look at that. And that's
The hot tap or the cold tap?
yeah, that's a hot, I think, and that's what's underneath the seal. So look, you can imagine that it's pouring out of there. And there's another one this side.
What's the blue one like then?
Perfect. That's what it is.
We'll keep that one then.
Yeah. So
If that's what goes.
it must be. Look. Look at the difference. There.
Yeah.
So the washer's not been sitting properly, and the brass has just worn away, and yeah.
So it was a hot tap.
Yep. There we go. That was interesting, wasn't it? I thought it was interesting anyway. Oh,
Did
that
you?
wasn't on properly. Look at that. It wasn't on properly. There we go. Yeah, I thought it was interesting. Yeah, I enjoyed that. Very much enjoyed that. Thanks very much for watching another one. So there you go. What's inside your mixer tap in your bathroom or wherever you want one with the shower attachment. So
So we could have saved 75 quid and just got one of them.
well, if you can get them.
Apart from the shower bit wasn't working anyway. So.
But there, look at that. So you pull your shower head up because the pressure of the water as it comes through keeps it going, and then you push it down and it's spring loaded. Boom. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you in the next vid. Come and see.
Yep.
Okay, so really all the tools I used was not to take this apart, but to do the bathroom upstairs, those, and then to take this apart, yeah, those plus that. That's just to get the washers out. Here we go.
What's a diverter valve mean?
Diverter is well, because you've got two water going in here.
He wants to get in that box.
When
Look,
you pull
look.
that, it diverts the water and it goes through the. Why is that in the box? It won't fit in there.
You will. You'll try. It's a box. It's a new box, and they have to try and fit in it. There you go. See.
Penta, look at the size of you. You're not going to fit.
He will. Go round and round and round till he squeezes himself in. There you go. Right, you were saying about a diverter valve.
When you pull that up, it's a diverter valve, and then all the water and the pressure comes from there, goes to here, which then goes through.
So this is the diverter valve.
Yeah. Okay. There's the holes. So then when you pull that up, it stops the water, then it forces it through them, like that, and then it comes through here, and then goes into your hose, and then you can wash your hair. But I haven't got any, so it doesn't affect me.
That's why he didn't want to fix it. And these are little cartridges that go under the tap.
Okay, I've just found this on eBay. I'll put a link in the description down below. So this is a repair kit for the baths, the mixer tap. Here, if you look, let's get my mouse over there. You have to pick your model number, so you need to measure it and check it. They're all 3/4 inch, but which one you want, and that depends on price. So we look at £19 for that model. I don't know what the models are. I don't know what they mean. £28. So see, and then you got here single clockwise or anti-clockwise. Well, I want the pair. I would like both. I'm not going to do it because our bath tap is quite badly worn. So, but there is an option that you can buy spares for the mixer tap. Okay, there you go. I'll put this link in the description down below.